Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Call of Duty black screen. Let's get into it. First, execute high-end Studio API Force protocols. Open your game launcher, Steam or Battle.net, and navigate to the technical launch options or command line arguments. Technicality type in D3D11 or DX11 to bypass the latest high-end DirectX 12 conflicts that can cause a startup black screen. It technicality instructs the engine to use a more stable high-end rendering path, ensuring your studio build launches with professional fluidity during the latest session. Next, configure professional Windows graphics reset. While on the black screen, technicality press the high-end shortcut, Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B. You will technicality hear a professional beep and see a brief screen flicker as the latest graphics driver restarts. It technicality clears the high-end signal path for your studio monitor, often restoring the latest game visuals instantly. Next, verify the professional environment and launch. The final step is the technical verification of your latest troubleshooting sequence to ensure your professional studio is ready for high-end deployment. After applying the priority and API changes, technicality restart your PC to finalize the latest system registry. Launch the game through the technical launcher and monitor the intro sequence for high-end stability. Once the game technicality initializes, your high-end performance is live, allowing you to dominate the latest market with a professional, clear display. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.